Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are back with another wig tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I was able to get this 4x4 closure in a glueless wig, glueless, sprayless, literally no product involved when I installed this wig, okay? So if you want to see how I got it, just keep on watching. So as you guys can see, today's video will be sponsored by Cranberry Hair, and this is everything that comes in the box when you receive it. As I mentioned before, the wig is a 4x4 HD lace closure, and it is 26 inches long, and this is their silky straight texture. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm going to do is put the wig on my head and just make sure that it is secure and kind of just see exactly how it's fitting without the elastic band on there. I haven't sewn on an elastic band on my wigs in a really long time, and I wanted to make sure that I did it correctly this time and also correctly the first time around. So if you guys notice, I'm going to point to it in a few, but where my thumb is, that's where I want to sew each end of the elastic band, okay? So here's the elastic band that I have. You can get these on Amazon, or sometimes the wig brands, they will actually submit it with their package to you so that you have it just in case. So I want to go ahead and basically get my needle and thread ready. I have the curved needle, which you can get at your beauty supply store, and you can also get weave thread at your beauty supply store as well. But what I have is regular thread because I had ran out. So like I said, I'm going to do one end basically where my thumb was, and it's also where the closure was sewn on, if that makes any sense. Like right where the sewing area is, that's kind of where I'm sewing on the elastic band. So I'm just gonna sew it on, and towards the end you guys will see that I wrap the thread around the needle like a couple of times, and that's when I'm finishing it off, just to make sure that it's secure. And I'm gonna do the same thing on both sides. Alrighty, so we finished sewing it on. So basically after I cut the thread, I don't cut it too close. You guys see how much I cut off? And what I'm doing is I'm tying a knot. I do 3 for good luck and then I go ahead and cut the rest of the thread off. This just prevents from, you know, ruining all the hard work that I literally just did. Well, it wasn't that hard, but you guys know what I mean. So yeah, now I just cut it off, and yeah, that's it. So you just do the same thing on both sides, and like I said, it's at the end of the actual lace, so right where the closure is sewn on to the rest of the wig. Now the only thing, I don't know if you guys are going to notice in this video, but the only thing is that I did my elastic band way too short. Well, actually it's not way too short, but I could have used a little bit more because this was so freaking tight. At first I was fine, but like after like an hour of me wearing the wig, I was like, oh my god, I have to fix it. So that's not a big deal, you know. At least you guys see exactly how you sew on the elastic band. Like, it's super easy. But the most important thing is that the wig was secure, and even after I cut off the additional lace, which I'm about to show you guys in a bit, it looked like I did like a glue install, or, you know, my adhesive spray. So that is the benefit of glueless wigs, okay? Like glueless and sprayless wigs, I should say, because you are able to still get that slayish look without having to use any product on your forehead and, you know, it messing it up and you making a mess. Like, you could just sew on an elastic band and call it a day. It is a little bit harder with 13x4s or 13x6s, but when it comes to closures, it's super easy to do, okay? So as you guys see, I'm cutting off the additional lace, and when I get towards the end, I just use my scissors. Just make sure you don't actually cut the part where, you know, the wig is sewn on, if that makes any freaking sense. But yeah, you don't want to ruin the actual sewing of the wig. You just want to cut the lace part, okay? So yeah, after I finish cutting off the additional lace, I believe I do go in with some makeup to kind of blend it a little bit, and then I also go in with my plucking and all that other good stuff. So I will come back towards the end when it is time to actually style the wig. Also, really quick, while you guys are watching me plucking, I do want to let you know that the wig does come pre-plucked. So the entire beginning of this video, besides my intro where you guys see me like installing the wig and making sure it fits on my head and all that other nonsense, literally I did not pluck anything. That's how the wig came. So it was really well done as far as the pre-plucking, and the HD lace is really good for us brown skin girls, black women in general, darker skin tones, whatever you want to say, because it actually blends in with our skin tone a whole lot better. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that it was super easy to work with this wig. All right, so you guys noticed that the lace is looking really good, right? I really do like this wig. Like, it was super easy. I feel like I haven't had a real easy wig to work with in a long time, but that's that HD lace for you, okay? So if you're going to invest in a wig, you might as well get you an HD lace because it's super easy to blend and to look natural. So I'm just going in with the classic middle part. Again, this is a 4x4, so you can do like, you know, a cute little style with it if you prefer, but there's nothing better than a straight silky wig with a good middle part that's super long. Like I mentioned, this is 26 inches. So right now I am just getting my baby hairs together, and then I'm going to go ahead and use my hot comb just to make sure that it's looking extra natural, everything is laying flat as it should be, and then I'm going to go in with my typical flat iron and flat iron the wig. Alrighty, you guys, so that is the end of the tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed. As you guys can see, I'm over here jamming. I'm just doing, you know, some minor touch-ups, like with my wax stick, just making sure all the flyaways is laid down. Like, look how nice this wig is. Like I mentioned, it is a silky straight texture, 26 inches, 4x4 HD lace. This wig is so freaking pretty, you guys. So I want to thank Cranberry Hair for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love the wig, love the texture, love the HD lace. It was super easy to install and work with, and I hope that you guys found the whole glueless elastic band method to be extremely helpful, especially if you are a beginner at installing wigs, okay? But as always, I'll have everything listed in the description box down below. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.